Have you ever heard of bank account on rent cyber fraud? It sounds bizarre, right? But it's a growing cybercrime that's tricking thousands of people every year. Here's how it works. Scammers approach ordinary people sometimes through social media job portals. WhatsApp. They offer quick cash if you let them rent your bank account for a few days. The promise? You'll get a commission for every transaction that goes through your account. At first, it might seem harmless. Maybe you're told it's for business to help someone receive money from abroad, but the reality is much darker. These cybercriminals use your account as a tool to launder money, move stolen funds, scam others. And when the police come knocking, guess whose name is on the account? Yours. Let me put it simply. Renting out your bank account is illegal, and you could end up facing serious charges, even if you didn't know what was really happening. Your account could be frozen, you might lose your hard-earned money. Rebuilding your financial reputation takes years. So, how can you protect yourself from this scam? First, never share your bank account details, ATM card, internet banking credentials with anyone, no matter how convincing they sound. If someone offers you money to use your account, that's a big red flag. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Second, stay alert on job sites, social media. Scammers often pose as recruiters, business people, fake friends. If you get suspicious messages, block and report them immediately. Third, keep your bank's emergency contact handy. If you think your account has been compromised, call your bank right away and file a complaint. The faster you act, the safer you'll be. And finally, spread the word. Talk to your friends and family about this scam, especially those who might be looking for quick money or new job opportunities. The more people know, the harder it gets for cybercriminals to find victims. So, the next time someone offers you easy money for your bank account, remember, it's not just risky, it's illegal. Protect yourself, stay alert, and don't let scammers use you as a pawn. Stay safe out there.